Mayuresh, start off with you. A quick answer. What does it mean for the others? What does it put a bit of a cloud upon the other valuations, or do you think the sector can grow along with ACC Ambuja together? Mayuresh, you're on mute.
Oh, it definitely can, Neeraj. In fact, the smaller players, as Sajid was also mentioning, in parts of central, south, or east India, I think they'll remain in focus because the intention of the Adani Group is very clear, as Rakesh put it. They want to double their capacity to almost 140, if you assume 70 at this point of time. And therefore, I think the smaller players definitely come in focus. What it also means is what they have probably paid at $180 on an EV per ton basis. If they acquire the smaller players inorganically, let's assume that at a much smaller valuation, the blended acquisition for all these capacity put together might come in the range of 140 by 150, which is a little bit higher than replacement cost, but not too high for the bid they put for ACC Ambuja. So I think the smaller players will definitely remain in focus. No, so my entire sense is that they have to manage their balance sheet well now, Sajid. To take Rakesh's and Naveen's point forward, I think the inorganic growth, I think Adani will just try to probably gestate these assets first. But what really happens, Sajid, is the smaller companies that I was speaking about, I think the two bigger players or three bigger players, leaving the smaller counterparts in the regional areas, Ultratex, the Shree Cements, the Dalmias in the world, they are probably a little bit on the back foot at this point of time with their bids not going through. And does that lead to a sense that in the next 12 to 18 months, probably they have a chance to look at other smaller companies to probably consolidate their market share further since they have not got these assets. So I think there will be a lot of due diligence that is probably going to happen for the larger players outside ACC Ambuja, which is now the Adani Group, which will happen as the rules come through. But do these larger players have a serious thought in terms of upping their market share, acquiring companies? And therefore, I think the debt on these companies goes higher. And therefore, my own sense is that the enterprise value for these companies with higher proportion of debt, if any acquisitions happen in the 12 to 18 months, cash outflows and dividend outflows might just lessen over a period of time if this competition probably happens.